Welcome to this video. This joint project of the Iowa Legislative Services Agency and Drake University Law Library is intended to teach the public how to find information on the Iowa Legislature website. For additional information, please see the video description. In this video, we will cover the Frequently Asked Questions section and the Sitemap for the Iowa Legislature website. In addition to search and browse features, which are covered in separate videos, these two tools can help you locate information on the Iowa Legislature site. The FAQ section provides answers to frequently asked questions. The FAQ link is located in the black header. When you click on this link from the home page, it opens the full list of FAQs. The questions are organized by the names of the tabs that run along the top of the Iowa Legislature page. If you click on the heading for the name of the tab, you will go to that section of questions in the FAQ. Another option is to click on a specific question. That will take you directly to the question and answer. For example, people often wonder, when does the legislative session convene? Clicking on this question will take you to the section of the page containing this information. Each answer provides the location where you can find the information on the site, some explanatory text if necessary, and a link that will take you directly to that section of the website. You can use the FAQ page as a starting point if you are unsure where to locate certain information on the site. If you are not on the home page but instead are on one of the tabs, the FAQ link will take you to the questions specific to that tab. For instance, I'll click on the Iowa Law and Rules tab. Now, when I click on the FAQ in the header, it takes me straight to the question specific to the Iowa Law and Rules part of the site. I am now going to click on the Iowa Legislature banner to return to the home page. In the black footer at the bottom of almost every page on the site, there is a Sitemap link which shows the location of the information found throughout the site. Clicking on the Sitemap link displays a complete list of all links on the legislative website in order, again separated by tab. Clicking on a link in the Sitemap will link you to that page in the site. For example, let's say you wish to view the chamber rules for the Senate and House. First, you'd find the Senate-House header, and below the header you could click on the link entitled Chamber Rules. This will take you to a page where you can pull up PDF copies of the chamber rules. I'm going to click on the Sitemap link again to return to the Sitemap. In addition to scanning the links to find what you are looking for in the Sitemap, you can also use the search capability to find what you need. Often this approach is faster. With the Sitemap page open, hold down the Control key on a Windows machine or the Command key on a Mac and then click the F on your keyboard. This will pull up a search box where you can enter a keyword to locate it anywhere on the page you are viewing. Depending on the browser you are using, you may see the Find box appear at the top or the bottom of the page. I am using Firefox, and my search box appears in the lower left corner of the screen. In the search box, type a word or phrase that relates to what you are trying to find on the site. For best results, try to use a specific term. For example, typing the word bill into the box will give you many results that will take a while to review. At this time, the word bill gives you 48 results. You can use the arrow buttons to scroll through each result given. Any instance of the term bill will appear highlighted on the sitemap. By searching for a more specific term, such as enrolled, you will see far fewer search results. At this point, entering that term results in only 2 matches. Again, you can use the arrow keys provided to move from result to result. And you can also see that each instance of the word enrolled is highlighted. When you find the results you wish to view, simply click on that link to be taken directly to the page on the site containing that information. These sitemap links are great starting places if you are unsure of where to locate content on the site. Thanks for watching. Links to the other videos in this series can be found in the video description.